Oh, this is Dr. Gilbert. I'd like to take a few moments, if I could, to just talk about the origin of chiropractic and some of the misconceptions that people have about chiropractic. In 1895, matter of fact, it was September 18th, 1895, a man named D.D. Palmer was very inquisitive. He was somewhat of a fellow who wanted to know more about the human body and how it worked. And he was working in a building in Davenport, Iowa, where there was a janitor named Harvey Lillard who had one time, a few years earlier, had bent over when he looked out the window and something popped in his neck, and he came back up, and it caused his hearing to be a deficit. To such an extent, he just couldn't understand people, what they were saying. So D.D. Palmer asked him, "Would you mind if I would look at your neck, Harvey, and see if there's anything there that is abnormal?" And so he did, and he found this small little area of the lower portion of the neck, which is basically not even muscle, from one muscle to the next. So he said, "Harvey, let me try to move this." And so he did, and when he did that, Harvey heard a pop, and he could hear again. It was quite amazing. As a matter of fact, D.D. Palmer and his son, B.J. Palmer, the developer of chiropractic, they got together and did a lot of studying, did a lot of research on people as to whether or not their spines had anything to do with their hearing. Well, basically after about 10 years of studies, they came to the conclusion that, well, we really can't say that we can cure hearing or whatever the case, whatever the problem might be with that particular person, but they found out that some people's blood pressures did go down, headaches would go away, back pain would go away, gallbladder problems would settle down, the stomach would be okay, all sorts of things would happen due to the fact that these people got regular chiropractic adjustments. And so, as time went on, there became a big war between the medical profession and the chiropractic profession because D.D. Palmer and B.J. Palmer decided, well, you know, we'd like to be part of the healthcare program, but we don't really want to utilize drugs in our profession. And so that separated us from the medical profession, and now we have grown to be the #1 or the largest natural healing profession in the world. Thomas Edison had once said that the doctor of the future will give no medicine, but will interest his patients in taking care of the human frame and in diet and the cause and the prevention of disease. Well, that's what chiropractic is all about. We're all about prevention, and we're about getting this body of yours to function the best it possibly can without the uses of drugs and surgery. So, if you decide to come here at the Wellness Center with me, that's our goal, is to get you back to normal and doing it without drugs and surgery. Thank you.